guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can organize like servers on Discord. So for instance, you use like this server a lot, you can just move it up. For instance, like this one, select it and just like move it up here. And for instance, you don't go to this server a lot, I'm just going to move it down here. And then you can even put them in like a folder. So I'm just going to select it and like put it like on top of the other server, and I'm going to add that in another one. Then to edit the folder, you can right click on it, select folder settings. You can even change the color to custom color or the ones here. And I'm going to name it important, for instance. And I'm going to press done. If I selected it, I can go in the server and the folder is in that color that I chose. That's it. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!